It is pretty hot in here, you guys. However, I'm so stoked to share with you my plant that I got a month ago, and I just want to share with you about some update of this plant because today is Monday and we call it a Monstera Monday. So I thought I'd share with you, this is the best day to share with you about this plant. And you've probably seen this plant many times on different channels, and good place to go to if you want to dig deep on good information. You can always check Kaylee Allen's channel and also McMitty. McMitty, I believe he's the one who found about the Monstera Obliqua. Yes, I got a Monstera Obliqua Peru. So I wanted to share with you guys because I propagated some of, well, not really propagated, I just cut it and then, or separated them and then place it in different glass. I want to share with you or show you my beautiful Obliqua. Yes, this is a Monstera Obliqua Peru. Anyhow, so I have this one and then I separated the two, and this one gave me one leaf that it's still, you know, still working on for the leaf to spread or unfurl. And then I have another one as well. Yeah, both these are in the same, you know, mother plant that I got it from here. I just separated them, but then this one just came in, the new leaf. You guys are seeing that. And this one is about to die now. Yeah, it's really sad. However, I'm very happy because, you know, I was able to separate at least two of them. You guys, it's really hard to cut because the nodes are very close to each other, so I am very scared. However, I managed to do it. The leaves are getting crispy if you guys are seeing it closely. So that has pretty holes, like many holes in it. And this one, like I said, it's about to go, but I'm just keeping it as it is. And I have the runner. The runner is in here. I don't know if you can see that. It's right over there. I'm keeping it in my vermiculite and perlite. So I just mix them together, put a little bit of water because vermiculite really holds good or retain water in it, and it helps to produce a lot of roots. So this one here, let's see if I can see some roots. This one, the roots are in the bottom and it's in the middle. And this one over here is, let me see if I can see. This one over there, you guys can see that. It started to climb up now as well. I'm keeping it in my IKEA glass cabinet, and it's pretty good because the humidity inside compared here, if you place them anywhere in here, it's not good as if you, of course, if you put it in an enclosed cabinet or any type of glass. I'm very happy because I got this plant in a cheaper price, and it was really expensive before. Nowadays, maybe you can still get, you know, it probably varies in different sellers and also in different shapes. The bigger it is, rather, the more expensive it is, of course. But this one, it's not as big as the one you guys are seeing it. They're very tiny. The leaves are very tiny, and they said it's like, feels like a paper thin, which I don't know if it's really a paper thin. This is not Monstera adansonii or adansonii. It's a different, you know, form, but they quite look the same, but it's not obliqua. So this one is the Monstera Obliqua. But like I said, I'm not sure which one is a real obliqua now these days, because they were saying about there is no real obliqua, and that's why you probably seen the hashtag Monstera no obliqua, or what, I forgot that the hashtag, but I'm gonna post the hashtag here so you guys can see on the screen. So this one, they were saying that it is prone to spider mites, and I forgot that other insect, spider mites, but I haven't seen anything so far in my plants. All of my plants that I am looking after, never seen any spider mites, so knock on the wood. But these ones, they are hopefully happy. Like I said, I am keeping this one in a perlite and vermiculite, and they are growing slowly. I don't want to put it right into the soil because it varies the temperature in here, and I don't have a good humidity in here. But as you guys can tell, I have some anthuriums, I have my Rapidiflora. You don't have to worry about the humidity because they can grow wherever. Most of my anthuriums are here now. I turned down my grow 10 in the basement, so I am really hoping that it will give me a lot of growth for this time, because it's really hot in here now, like I said in the beginning. And the humidity, I am probably going to put humidifier in this room just to maintain the humidity. Right now I have 47% of humidity in here, but I'm not really sure if it's 47 inside of the glass cabinet. Sometimes it really varies. If it's really hot in here and if it's raining outside, it will go up. The maximum is about 70, and that's it. But if I spray the leaves, spray something in here, you know, just give some moisture in this room, then it will go up about 60, 65. But like I said, the maximum is 70. And for anthurium, it's best if you reach until 80 to 85%. But for the meantime, I'm keeping this one in my glass cabinet. So if you guys wanted to know more about this Monstera Obliqua Peru, you can always check Mickey or Mike Mitty or something and Kaylee Ellen about the Monstera Obliqua. But I'm very happy because I have this plant. I have the Monstera Adansani while growing some of my plants in Leca. I started collecting Monstera Adansani way back 2018, but then it didn't survive because of the thrips. I put one and it grows pretty well, I guess, into Leca, but I'm not really good in keeping them in Leca, so I'd say zero knowledge about Leca medium. However, I am using hydroponics as well, the Lavarack and Pumice. So yeah guys, that's all about my Monstera Obliqua. I just want to share with you how gorgeous this plant is. And this one is about to unfurl now, and you guys can tell there are about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, about 13, was it 13 or 12 holes in it. It varies in different leaves, and the more it matured, of course, the more it will give you bigger holes, which they say that if you see that it's a paper thin and then has a lot of, pretty much it's covering the leaf with holes, then that's the Monstera Obliqua. I don't know, you know, disclaimer, I'm not really sure if it's true or not, but this one is my Monstera Obliqua from Peru, and I'm very happy to share with you guys. If you have any questions, on how I care for this one. Pretty much I'm just keeping it in my perlite and vermiculite, and also I'm including some nutrients because you know plants need nutrients. I am using the calcium and magnesium from Gringo Rasta or Funky Broadway. So you guys, thank you guys for listening for this video. Like I said, if you have any more questions, you can always check Kelly Allen and Mike Mitty channel, and you will find a lot of information about Monstera Obliqua Peru. Well, I'm not exactly know, you know, if it's from Peru or different countries. So yeah, thank you guys for listening. I hope you guys like this video, and also follow me on my Instagram, Abel's Plan. Bye for now.